Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to make this shape. Well, there's two ways to make it. Uh, this one is a little more maybe symmetrical. If you look real close at this, we're a little bit off, but I'm going to make them both and just show the person. So take a rectangle and unlock your ratio up here, and let's type in 2 inches, which is more than enough, and hit enter every time. And you get that shape. Now we're going to rotate it negative 45 degrees. Let's move it over. And we're going to, let me take away the indexing lines. I don't need them in here. Let's Control D and make a duplicate and then mirror it. So you can already see the shape. Now all you have to do, and this works pretty well, I'm going to take this, well, you got to select both of them and go up to object and convert them to a curve. And then take your shape tool and let's do this one. Let's right click that node and hit break apart. Let's click this one, right click and break apart. And then you could cut that line away and it won't cut the other one. So that's pretty, that one actually came out better than my first one. Now we're gonna weld them together so they're all one piece, and then we can make them that thicker line. And he wanted round end caps, so we're going to have 12 on the keyboard and go right here to round end caps, and we have that. That one came out pretty well. It's actually better than the first one. The other way you could do it is take two ellipses and just kind of space them out a little bit and just take a 2-point line. This is where you've got to really watch what you're doing, because if you get up in here, you're too high. So you kind of need to just imagine where it would be. And that looks pretty good. And then since you've got that one good, we can hit the plus key on the keyboard and mirror it. And you can see we're a little bit different, but we can bring that down to there. And then you could just take and delete that and that and that. Now, instead of welding this, because, well, it worked, we're going to now, you could have combined it if the weld didn't work. We're going to grab that, hit F12 on your keyboard, and get rounded corners. You can round any corner on any line by doing that. You can also double click on here. A lot of times mine just takes a while to kind of sink in, so I use F12 mainly for that. But that's how I would make them. And there's probably maybe a couple other ways. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.